Lot S139 is a 1970 Pontiac Trans Am Ram Air 400 V8 automatic transmission, and it sold for $107,800 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website some of the highlights of the car. It had 566 miles on the odometer after the restoration, I'm sure. And it was in Lucerne blue with blue interior. Had a comprehensive frame-off restoration, PHS documentation, Ram Air, matching numbers 400 cubic inch V8 engine, 4-barrel carburetor, automatic transmission, Lucerne blue exterior, blue interior, tilt steering column, formula steering wheel, bucket seats, center console, factory air conditioning, rally gauge cluster, clock, body color mirrors, recessed windshield wipers, power steering, $25,000 in parts receipts, and Pontiac Historical Society window sticker, and safety track differential, power front disc brakes, Rally 2 wheels, BF Goodrich Radial TA white letter tires. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.